Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Slack API error rate limited quickly and correctly so you can get your app, bot, or automation working again without guessing. This error usually means your app is making too many requests in a short period of time, and Slack is temporarily telling you to slow down. The good news is that this is usually easy to fix once you know what to look for. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more software tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, check the response header called Retry-After. When Slack returns a rate limit error, it often includes this header and tells you exactly how many seconds you need to wait before trying again. This is the most important step because if you retry too early, the request will fail again. So read that value carefully and pause your next request for that amount of time. If the header says wait 30 seconds, wait 30 seconds. If it says wait 60 seconds, wait 60 seconds. Next, you want to slow down how often your app is sending requests. A very common cause of this error is sending API calls too quickly, especially in loops or automated workflows. To fix that, add a delay of at least 1 second between calls, and in some cases even more depending on the endpoint. That small pause can make a big difference. And if your workflow involves sending lots of messages at once, don't fire them all in one burst. Use a queue or batch system instead. That way, your messages are processed in an organized order instead of all at the same time, which helps prevent rate limiting and keeps your automation stable. So to summarize, check the retry-after header, wait the required number of seconds, add a delay between requests, retry only after the wait time, reduce unnecessary API calls, and use batching or queuing when sending a high volume of messages. If you want to avoid this error in the future, always design your Slack integrations to be a little slower and smarter, not faster and noisier. That's the safest way to stay within Slack's limits. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.